In this video, we want to learn how to create a flight tracking website using AI. You can create a professional flight tracking website where you can do bookings, you can do hotel, car rentals and deals and all that. Then users can log in or create an account and all that. So you can create this website easily just using your AI master prompt. Now, let me first of all test the site so that you see how it is. So let's say, for instance, now I wanted to book a flight here. You just put your location that you want to use here now. Okay. So here now, let's say I am actually booking a flight, let's say for London to, you can put anything here, or you can actually change it. You can see I can swap it. Let's say I'm booking from Dubai to London, then yeah, I can put the date. You can put the date that you are traveling, let's say on Saturday, and I'll just click here on search flight. So it's going to search flight and it will show you different airlines and their prices and all that. Okay, so all I'll need to do here now, let's say I wanted to book this one, which is I'm using British Airways. All I'll do here now is just to click here on book, and I'll fill in my details and like that, and and I'll just like put my name and my email address. Then you can see that it will take you to payment and all that. So how do we now create this professional website easily using AI master prompt? All you need to do is to join our online AI vibe coding community. So once you join this community, we'll give you this master prompt that you can use. So this is the master prompt that we are using to build this website. So all I'll need to do here now is just to click here and then copy this entire master prompt. So if you join our online school, give you this master prompt that you can use. We also have master prompt for online banking. We also have master prompt for investment and any kind of website and all that. So what you need to do now is just to go to any of the AI website builder. So like AI Studio, or you can use lovable.dev, or you can use Google AI Studio. So if you look at it here now, this is Google AI Studio. All I'll do here now is just to click here and paste my prompt. Once I click here on paste my prompt, I'll just click here on build. Then you can also use lovable.dev. There are other sites too that you use. If you join our communities, we'll give you this one. But I'm just doing this one as a demo here. So I'll just click here now and then paste the code here, and I'll click here on run. Okay, so it's going to run depending on the speed of your internet, usually between 1 to 5, at most 10 minutes, your entire website will be built. So it's building it. So once you are done, you can see now that it's running it and it's building it. So once you are done now, it will look like this. Now, if you look at it now, this is it on lovable.dev now. So you can see now that I have finished building it. So all I'll do here now, if I want to make any adjustment, I'll just click here, add whatever, change this color, change the logo, change the site name and things like that, and I'll just click on enter. This entire website will be redesigned and all that using AI. So this is the Google Studio now. Once you are done, this is how it will look like too on the Google Studio now. So if you look at it now, this is how it's built it. So I can just come here and start adding customization. I can tell it to add live tracking. I can tell it to change the currency from dollars to naira to pounds and whatever. So this is how you create a professional flight booking website using AI master prompt. So all you need to do now, I'm going to paste the link here where you join our. So in order for you to join our AI vibe coding community, all you need to do now is just to go to our seller link and click on join. So you join. As of today, it's just only 5,000 naira or less than $3. You can join this AI community where we'll give you all kind of master prompts, and we also give you the PHP scripts too that you can use how you host it and everything. You can also go to our blog at touristchool.com, where you will see how we use all these master prompts to create professional websites, and we also build softwares and all that using this AI. It is called vibe coding. So if you join our community, we'll give you this master prompt, we'll give you everything you need. We'll also teach you how you make use of it and all that, how you use it to create professional website, how you use it to make money and all that. Thank you for watching this video.